So welcome along to another episode. You join us just outside of Gloucester. As you can see, the boys are still working on the trailer there, prepping it ready for transport here. We got it loaded last night. So I'll put on some pictures now and after that so you can see how this beast got loaded. So we've stretched the trailer, it's 17 metres long, and yeah, we'll transition over to that. So as you can see, it was quite a bit of load, wasn't it? You know what I mean? It was quite an effort, fair dues to the boys and everything like that. It was grand. Like, we'll go outside though. We'll take a little walk around, and you can see the full size of it now and what's got to be done on it now before transport. There's still a few things left to do now for transport, like things I guess are going to be taken off. The hopper's going to be reduced in height because that's about 16.5 foot, so that's above what we're allowed to, what the legal height that we're allowed to go, because it's 16 foot 6 is what we're allowed to go, and that's around I'd say that's nearly 6 meters in height from the ground up. So whatever that is in feet. So I measured it with 5 meters, and it's just to the about a quarter of the way up on that rubber. So that probably have to be taken off for transport. There's a few other things got to be tidied up. Like this cable's got to be tidied up. Like the strap being put around that now to hold it back in, ready for transport. All this cable's got to be strapped down. Chains are got to be put on. I see. As you seen with the videos last night, there's still a few. It's still, you know, we put it on. It got put on quite late. So of course the boys are back this morning now just to tidy it up, ready for transport, so they could go out on the road then. So I think that piece of metal will probably be folded back like that one, swiveled across. So anything which swivels across like that, we got to make sure that it's okay and it's not going to swivel back out. So like that would swivel back out. This old strap's got to come off, so still a bit of work to be done on it yet. A couple of old straps underneath down there got to come off, so it's all easy to get to, but you just got to make sure you have a good look over it, because otherwise it's going to cause you a headache on the way back. And it's a hopper chute on the other side which has got to come off as well. That hopper's got to come off, the steps are got to be folded away, so still a bit of work to be done, but it's not a bad load. It's long. The screen itself 17 meters long. That's from the front hopper all the way to the back. So there she is. The hopper's gone off the top, that's down, so it brings it within the legal limits. Straps going over, supporting stuff along with chains holding it down. Straps supporting the leg, chains, so the straps are also supporting the leg but also helping to hold it down, so it's more than enough on there. But you can see everything's secure now, all the walkways are folded in, and we'll just do the final walk around check. There's the old hopper, ready to go on another load. That was on top. I'll water the spray because it's a wash plant. So it's you can see the bars are folded back in, everything's cable tied where cable ties are needed, straps were needed, chains were needed. So that's everything. So we are ready to rock and roll. Right, let's crack on. What a machine this is. This wash plant on the back. I say you don't see these every day. You don't get a chance to carry these every day, and I got the privilege of taking one for this customer and taking it to his site. So moving everything. So I done yesterday. I done a trailer power screen, as they call it, with a big conveyor on it, which fed this machine. I'll show you a picture of that now. So that, believe it or not, that was actually longer than what this is, but because we had the overhang on the back, it didn't have to extend the trailer so far. But we brought that down yesterday. This machine got ready and got it loaded last night, and as soon as we had our time off, and changed it down this morning, got everything ready for transport, and we're on our way. So we'll have a couple of cranes down on the other side that would tip us off, so we'll show you them when we get there. But if you missed the last episode, it was Porthcawl Truck Show. I'm hoping I get the extra footage. Obviously, if you've seen it already, you may see if I didn't get the extra footage or not, like, so I'm still waiting on it as I speak, because obviously it was last weekend when I'm recording this. But that was the last video, was Porthcawl Truck Show. So that's well worth the watch. Really good experience. You know, if you missed out on it, that's what the video's for. You can get to experience it then and see what it was like, and then maybe book the dates ready for next year to come up and have a look. So anyway, I will be up there next year as well for the show. I will be one on my calendar. Hopefully, it was nice. It was nice seeing people up there today. Not today, over the weekend, coming up and saying hello. You know, people which watch the channel and everything like that, and they were saying what what videos they like watching and stuff like that. It was all a really good experience. I enjoyed that. That was really nice. You know, so thank you very much for coming up, saying hi. And obviously we'll catch up again when we bump into each other, as fate would do, like, innit? But yeah, we're going to carry on. We're going to get this to its location, and we're going to get it tipped off. that is us done and dusted with the load. We're going to go back up and get a tank. I'm not going to record that one. It's pretty much the same sort of move as what this one is, so I don't know, bore everyone with it. It'll probably be on a short, so I'll take pictures of it. It'll be on a short. So that's it all in all. So for the ones who came to the truck show and met me, thank you very much, really much appreciated. Remember, if you're liking what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and obviously like the video as well. Check a comment down, it always pushes the algorithm out a bit more to publish my videos out. So if you want to help out, just a little comment, it doesn't take 2 seconds and it's free, and it helps me out a world, and you know, a lot, to be honest with you. I try to think I say something then, but you know what I mean, it is what it is. Anyway, if you'd like to help the channel out a bit more, you can go via the links below. You can either hit the subscribe button below, sorry, not the subscribe button, the join button below, which you become a channel member by subscribing on a monthly basis. The other way then is by hitting the super thanks and donating something to the channel. The other way then is by purchasing the coffee. The link is in the description below. That'll take you over to the website, or I think it's the PayPal direct link, that is. It'll take you over to PayPal, and you can purchase us a coffee through PayPal then. So them are the ways you can help the channel out. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, bye bye.